Jessica Jazz fans, what is poppin'? So today I'm just going to be like trying to find me a little bird, you know. So first let's just touch this up. So I might just put her on different outfits, like, cause like you guys see what time it is, and I am on my Android tablet, so like not mine. My computer got broken. But let's try this. Honey, stop. You cannot see. Oh, this shit is acting like so slow and stuff. I might just keep that. Oh, but now I want to load. Now it wants to load. For real. That's on the freaking side. But, yeah, so, I don't know. But, yeah, so, like, so I'm gonna put my, my Instagram name inside the link. By the way, you see, because, like, there's not even information, baby. Like, there we go, the bitch is fucking business. So, I like this, I put some shoes into the Jordans though. Still on my nails, so it would go with this though. Let's see. Boo boo, you need to fix something about this because that's not gonna work out. Like you need to buy you some new shoes and look out for some shit. But keep on getting these notifications from someone else though. But let's just go to let's see. Let's go to Alone. It's like an emo person thing. I don't know, cause like I'm not emo. It sounds like it could be one of them persons though. But like, yeah, he got suspended from school for 3 days and like, yeah. So I'm just gonna be like, what's good? As soon as it loads, we're gonna leave the joint right there. Alright, never mind. Wait a minute. PPQ. PPQ is that right? Okay, like I'm gonna wait before I need to stop playing with my eyes. Who knows what it is? But, so we're just gonna go to Singles Hangout, okay? Cause like I'm single and like I'm a single mother. And like I'm doing this all alone. Like I shouldn't be going through this shit. Now I'm just playing down. But I am a single mother. Yo bitch need a nigga, so you know what I'm saying. You just need to hit me up. So, okay, so it's still loading. Boy, why are you so obsessed with me? Like, I wanna talk all about you just so they can get jealous. And if you see it further, say I understand that. Honey, cause like you, we need that bitch house. The bitches, yeah, the bitch house. I'm a real deal sniper, you know what I mean? The bitches? Yeah. Yes, the bitches. I know you ain't never been with no real hell. Oh my god, bitch, like you gotta get no nigga. I gotta pussy the fuck. I'm talking about like, bitch, you good. A nigga that really got a side. I'm talking about like being coached by the boss and not the wrong. Yeah, that way. Have you ever made love to a real hitter? A nigga that always in the field, probably finessing, probably out here Jordan. I wanna know, I'ma love you like I might die tomorrow. I'ma love you like I might die tomorrow. I'm probably getting money if I ain't call you, baby. I'm probably getting money if I ain't call you. I done came back from Christmas out the Trump Hotel. Before I take it in, I got to catch me one more sale. Name saved up on her for breathe, cause she ain't got no smell. I can hit it from the back, ain't got to hold my breath. All these hollers on me got me starting to look like a scammer. All that ass she got back is starting to look like a pamper. Pull up on yeah with a bag there like I'm Santa. Plug name radio play for Atlanta. The only millionaire you know that wear dope for real. You ain't never fucked a nigga that had this much cheese. I'm just trying to run you crazy like they tried Kanye. Treat you like the mail man, make you come once a day. Have you ever made love to a real hitter? Oh my god, we're gonna go nigga that always in the field, probably finessing, probably out here Jordan. I wanna know, I'ma love you like I might die tomorrow. I'ma love you like I might die tomorrow. I'm probably getting money if I ain't call you, baby. I'm probably getting money if I ain't call you, baby. You know I'm out here in these streets, I gotta get it. If I ain't on the corner, I'm in the Yobe, I be busy. But you gotta pray for me, cause these niggas be hating in my city. And you gotta thank God every day you be letting you be with me. I'm getting that little pussy like I'm just getting out of prison. And word around town, he bad a nigga, but he did. I'm sniper game, baby. I screw yourself. So like, I'm really hungry. She said, how you doing? Got more hit than she got better. Martin got more hit. Okay, what is it? Okay, my head is big, but not that big. You better. Why do these things have a whole new solid? I would never. Okay, chill, sis. Still do it. Whatever they want to do. I need my cocoa butter too. So like I might add them cause like bitch can't be single. This isn't that bad. He told me to let me in, young boy. So I'm be like, what you been up to, boo? No, I'm not gonna say boo. Damn. The fuck these niggas? They like they want to look bad, they need to get posed. Like the color was been nice now, but look at this nigga. How you gonna try and hit me here, young, but when like his same skin. Okay, let me show you. They do my nigga wrong, so. Why you Nah, you. Nigga, he talk about something. Who? Him? I said, who the fuck you think I'm talking to? I'm talking to both of y'all. Nah, you nigga. Don't try and text me. So I'm gonna go. So I'm just like leave. Nigga, better not follow me. Now he nutted. Let me help me up for this shit. Ooh, single room, yes, me. What's good? Like the bitch, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? Like, I get real tired of these basic hoes. Just like these niggas are like just playing. Well, I had much love for them. You're supposed to respect me, not play me. Like, why would he do that shit? Is her butt bigger than that? Oh, fuck no. Why her fucking face look like that? I said it was good. Now y'all boners. I miss my cocoa. This is why I hate Androids. So y'all gonna leave me on scene? Like, what would they do that? Bah. Ooh, her every cute. And look at like you gotta make that eyes, strong eyes. Hey, shake that ass, sis. Like you gotta bend it over, pop it. Like you gotta pop it real good. Pop that pussy on that ground, sis. Like, come on, break it up, girl. Hey, why the fuck it look like that? Hey, there you go. Hey. But anyways, after this chat, we're gonna go to our last and final chat for the end of this video. So yeah. So let's just leave here, shish. I gotta edit this shit on, baby. Fucking chef. Like a bitch. Eyes, lip, face. Y'all need to help me out for this shit. We're good. Like, oh, what's good for real? Like, scroll up, nigga. Like, like. Oh, cute. That nigga is cute. Let me add him. That nigga is cute. He got a baby and Kiki. Well, I'm gonna get your weenie tonight. Kiki, that bitch. How like, this should make her a little bit more, but like, big. And what's up? What you say? His mom said it was big, bestie. Bestie? Yeah, bestie. What the fuck they got going on? Like, I want to see, I want something juicy. So, like, let's see. I want some Nightmare. This said, like, dear to me. What the Mela, I don't know how to pronounce your name, but like, this bitch been here for the longest, and she only look like she's 16, but let's let it be. Only envy you. I hate bitches that say that. Envy you, only envy you. Like,